Greetings, Earthling. This is Future Faye here. Let me tell y'all something. Usually I would come on here real made up, real cute and all that. Mind your business. I'm tired and you're gonna get what you get. So anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all, if you have watched my vlogs, then y'all know I have worn this wig all the month of August. I just had to pop in to tell y'all, between the half up, the half down, just the curls and everything else, I'm literally obsessed with this. This has become my everyday unit. So much so that I had to stop myself from running to Sally and picking me up some bleach and going ahead and dye my real hair. This color brings out that fire, that water, this is finna get real X-rated. Anyway, I have been rocking this in a half up, half down the entire time. Sometimes I wear it down, you know, when I'm feeling sassy, but it's just something about the color, the half up, the half down. It gives attitude. So I just want to pop on and say, this thing has been holding up beautifully. I'm absolutely obsessed. If you want to know how I got this look, this unit on, just how I'm able to preserve my edges and keep them things in here. Listen, I just want to tell y'all, listen, this thing is cute. It's just so cute. I just have to tell you. And real quick, before I get the video started, let me come in, let y'all see the lace. Yeah. And keep it in mind, I ain't even got on a stitch of makeup, so the lace, yeah. So anyway, that is enough of my shenanigans. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed with this wig. I've been rocking it in all my vlogs. Like, seriously, this is a favorite. So if you want to know all the information about this unit from Nadula, keep on watching. Baby, she cute. Y'all, I am getting ready to show y'all one of the cutest installs that I have had and how I gave some really cute styles. And I'm using a unit from Nadula hair. Now this is, I believe I got a 22 inch. It's a jerry curl wig texture. I think it's called Balayage. Child, don't clock me if I mispronounce it. So right there, I was just kind of showing y'all some of the accessories they have to offer. They have the traditional stuff like lashes, anyway, robes, clips, all the stuff you need for an install, they do have it. So let's get into the actual unit. Now, I was saying this is a 13x4 lace front balayage, I believe. I don't know, Chad. I got the 22 inch and it's 180 density. It is made so you can put it on glueless if you like, but I'm not going to do glueless for this install. So it does have the clips, the adjustable strap in the back. Real quick, and I wanted to add this up close clip. So this is what the bleach knots look like up close. They do pre-bleach and pre-clip these wigs. Now, you normally will use a 30 to 40 developer if you want to lift up the knots, right? Well, they already did that. And so if by chance you are not pleased with how the knots look, do not use a developer higher than 10, because if you go in with that 30 to 40, that's over processing it and you might cause shedding with your wig. So keep that in mind. If you don't like the knots, don't go higher than a 10. All right, let's keep going. Speaking of process, let's get into my install process. So I got on the wig cap with some makeup. I forgot to show y'all that. And this is just me bringing it all together so it can look as realistic as possible. Now let's be real. We're gonna give wig, but you know, we just gonna make it look a good wig. So after I put some foundation on the wig cap that I got from Nadula, as well as on the lace, I am doing a got to be install. Got to be don't take my edges out. Got to be ain't never did me dirty. Got to be, listen, it's base. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, I'm gonna stick beside her. So after I put the hairspray on and it is sticky, okay, wait till it's sticky, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So I'm attaching the comb in the back, and then I am going to gently press the lace into the sticky, okay, the sticky hairspray along my line. So I'm using hairspray, of course, in place of glue. And so I'm just kind of just like gently pressing it in and taking my time. I don't know who I was talking to or what I was talking about, but y'all see I was talking. So anyway, once it is applied, go ahead and get that good old strap. Oh, pause. Anyway, put the strap on and let that thing melt. And so while it is melting, I'm actually applying my styler of choice. I'm doing a moisturizing cream just to give some moisture to it, because y'all know anytime you're getting blind on some hair, it could be the best of the best wig, but it's gonna give a little bit of dry. So I wanted to put a moisturizing cream just to bring it back to life. And I did a little bit of shingling off camera just to help it to like really pop, because that's what we're trying to do right now. After I applied the cream, I kind of put it up out my face so I can just kind of like really work with this wig. And once the hairspray was completely dry and I had a really good bind, I number one noticed that part, honey, what is that? Okay, it come with a middle part, but after I washed it, I moved it around. So off camera, I went ahead and fixed it, got about as best as I could with the middle part. Even though I don't even like middle parts, I'm a side part shawty. But for this video, I want to show y'all middle parts. So let's cut the lace. These are fabric scissors. I find that I have really good success with that. And in order to remove this lace, I two slits, because I don't want to cut like straight across the whole way. It just don't turn out right. So once I do the 2 slits, I start doing like a rocking around the crisp. Why did this song just pop in my head? Anyway, I do a kind of like a rocking motion, because if you cut just straight across, it gives real toupee, honey, and we don't want that if we can avoid it. You know, sometimes it's gonna happen, but if you can avoid it, do that. So after all of the lace is removed, sometimes when you do the cutting, it causes the lace to lift just a little bit. So I'm gonna put some got to be on and put the strap back down so it can melt down again. So I'm trying to go through this really fast, because y'all, we don't want to make this video longer than necessary. And then with this being a curly install, it's super fast anyway. So after I put the strap back on and the lifted lace is melted again, I just put some concealer in the part and wait until the wig is dry. And this is what it looked like once it's dry. Y'all, this was so soft, so fluffy. It felt so good. I was so obsessed, and the color, honey, this color, it brought some attitude to the situation. So anyway, although I am going to wear it like this on some occasions, I wanted to show y'all some other style opportunities as well. And so the very first thing, a half up, half down. And I really wanted to like really highlight the color, you know, pun intended, highlight on the highlight. So anyway, I pulled out one piece of black, one piece of blind in the front. And then I kind of like messily did a half up, half down ponytail. And so once I put the ponytail holder on there, oh, no, not ponytail, I did a clip. Y'all, get y'all a good claw clip and let that thing, listen, did that not turn out cute? Did that not turn out cute? Like, I love this look on me. It's just something about a half up, half down, always gonna serve the people anyway. And so with this color, listen, if she not 4+4, she 8. You heard me? You know, I got to keep up with the hipster. Okay, you know, I'm trying to be the fun I take. But anyway, number 2. This was something I just decided to try, y'all. I just wanted to show what this wig was capable of. So first of all, I got to stop touching this hair. But secondly, I'm gonna pull some front pieces right back out, because again, I want the color to be the star of the show. And then after that, I'm going to put this into a high, messy bun. Now, this is going to be something that's not new. OG Naturals, like YouTube 10 years ago, y'all already know what I'm going with this. I'm finna get a pair of leggings and we finna get going. So anyway, put a top knot at the knot. Top knot at the knot, child, what am I talking about? Put a top knot at the top of your head, just kind of like in a messy way. And then I'm gonna put some leggings out. I'm gonna put the elastic band on the inside. Now, if you got some fabric, that actually works better, but I just didn't have any, and I just wanted to show y'all that. So anyway, put this around the bottom of your head, and then I'm gonna pull the leg parts of the leggings up. Now again, y'all, I don't know why I was feeling adventurous this day. Just listen, just oblige me. Anyway, so go ahead and tie the leg part around the front, and then I'm gonna kind of like shift and make sure like that little piece that's sticking out on the top right there, I'm gonna tuck that in. Actually no, I'm gonna pull this back apart just to make sure that's a good tuck. So anyway, just kind of play with it, because right now I'm just in a place where I'm trying to have some fun with my hair. I don't want to do the same things over and over again, and I thought it would be nice to just try something. And so anyway, that piece of hair was in the way. But after I crisscross the pants leg right in the front, right, I'm gonna take the legs in the back, crisscross it again, like OG Naturals. Y'all know y'all done seen this before. And to the newbies, I'm telling y'all, this ain't new. Listen, Natural 85, all the girls on YouTube, we was doing this once upon a time. So anyway, just tuck the excess fabric right in the front. I didn't tuck it in far enough, it's gonna come out again. So once I did see that, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it again. But yeah, just keep playing with it and just have some fun with your hair, y'all. Get y'all some leggings or whatever and just have you a good old time. So anyway, I did tuck that once I got it in good and tight. Is this where I get it in tight? I think so. But anyway, just keep playing with it and just tuck it in real tight. See, it popped out again. It wasn't tight enough then. But I think 3rd time's the charm. Yes, this is when I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna actually tuck it in towards the front and it stayed. And so then that's when you kind of just mess with the messy bun and just kind of get it in the situation that you actually like. I just kind of twisted it around and tightened up the ponytail holder off camera, and that's how it turned out. Like, is that not cute? Like, I just was trying some, y'all. So anyway, that's what the back of the wig looks like. So don't worry about if you don't have a 360, honey, get you a piece of fabric and make sure you just make your hair look like you like it. So I just took it back down, and this is what the hair looks like. So if you're interested in this unit or any other thing that Nadula has to offer, click the link in my description box. Y'all go and get y'all shop on. This unit is so freaking beautiful. I love the color. It did so well. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Bye.